Have you ever wondered why people breathe into paper bags when they're having a panic attack? If you've ever seen a show or a movie where someone is anxious and they're having a panic attack, they're hyperventilating, and then they start breathing into a paper bag, and you're wondering, well, why are they actually doing that? Let me explain the reason why. When you hyperventilate, you're blowing out CO2. So if you're hyperventilating for a longer period of time, you're going to decrease the CO2 that's in your bloodstream, and therefore this is going to increase your pH, making you have a respiratory alkalosis. The body doesn't like to have a pH that's out of range, and so you're going to start to get symptomatic when your CO2 is rapidly decreasing and your pH is rapidly rising. This can further someone's panic, making them actually panic more. So the concept is when you're blowing into a paper bag, you're blowing out your CO2, but because it's contained in a bag, you're re-inhaling that CO2. So hopefully that'll bring your CO2 levels back up and your pH back down into a normal range. Now, we really don't do this in the hospital setting, but if you've ever wondered when you've watched it on TV why someone's doing that, now you know why.